carpet. Sure, that Branislav Ivanovic is moving quite rightly. Might be that Chelsea have to make a change at right back. Carlos Pereira's on the bench. Could be a snag. It's a disappointment for Ivanovic not to be on the field at the end. Looked like Cole. Space ahead for Drogba. He's on the drive. But he's off well. By Emerson Boyce.
Exactly what Drogba wants. He wants another goal. In his desperation, he may just not play well enough in his heart to get any opportunities.